In Gary, Indiana, what areas of town would you recommend, or what areas of town would you tell them to stay away from?
All of Northwest Indiana is going through a huge change. There's a record number of people moving into our area. There's a record number of businesses moving into our area. And now we have public transportation, which we've really never had moving into our area. And when you have all those three things coming into an area, this area is going to continue to increase in value.
What's the big economic driver behind the town?
There's a lot of hospitals over here. We do have BP. We have the steel mills still over here, the CN train stations, Indiana University Northwest over here.
Okay.
We have a couple universities. We have Purdue, Cal over here. And we're still about half hour away from Chicago. Prices are very affordable for most people.
We saw a $22,000 property today.
You can buy anywhere from a $5,000 property all the way to $1 million property. The rental market has always been strong. That profit margin is pretty nice for most investors.
Okay. If someone wants to work with you, where do you expect them to contact you?
You can call the office. You can reach me on our website, McCormickRealEstateIndiana.com, and the office number is 219-663-9300.